Now, after this humiliation, when India could no longer find any real target to satisfy its innocent public, they started launching missile attacks. This is proof of India's failure. They wanted Pakistan to suffer some kind of damage so they could tell their own people that they had hit Pakistani army installations. Even if they had to target dummy locations, they were willing to do so. But unfortunately for them, they couldn't even manage that India should understand that their immaturity is being paid for by innocent Pakistanis and Indians alike. And all the shouting by Indian channels and YouTubers is pointless. The world has seen who is spreading lies and who is being forced to face embarrassment. And lastly, to Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, I would just like to say your entire life will be spent trying to prove your loyalty,